Good morning. So here we are at Target, the best place on the earth. Ooh. Oh my god, glorious Target.
Yeah, ain't no reason taking that middle one.
The 49?
No, the hour one. You gotta pay for the bridge and it's the longest one.
Can you guys guess where we're going? Crib. MTV crib. This is our balcony, and then
That's our backyard.
this is our backyard. Don't mind all those cars interrupting our driveway though. Swing!
We up in this bitch.
Love you, bitch. Bitch. Look how pretty. King king. Where's Brian? Say hi, Brian.
What it do? Hey.
And we've officially made it to our destination. Like, we have a view of a couple of doggies over there. This one's been like running after tennis balls and going in the water.
There's another dog right here.
But basically, this right here, that's where we were at taking pictures. And we went all along the little highway right here and down the stairs to our spot. What a good time.
There's another dog right here.
You're dumb. So hi guys, currently we're doing Brian's laundry. Just wanted to update the video. Baby, you're gonna tell the camera what we're doing today?
No.
So today we are actually going to look at an apartment. And Brian is so excited.
I'm not.
He's so happy to be doing this.
I'm not. I want to stay home and beat mommy.
What?
Huh? You said that.
Freaking loser.
Yeah, you.
Hi guys.
See a beach here. What time is it?
Hey guys, so I don't know if you can hear me, but this is our like 4th apartment that we have looked at. So far I don't think we've had much luck, but this one's looking pretty hopeful, so yeah, we'll see. What's up guys? I am so dead because I just got off work. But anyways, I was recording Monday and Tuesday, and today is Saturday. Oh my god, no, today's Friday. Oh my god, all day I've been thinking it's Saturday, literally all day. Anyways, so we actually ended up going with one of the apartments that we saw that day. We saw, I don't know, like so many apartments, like it was so crazy. But the one we went with, like, we loved it, like inside out. We loved it. We loved the price. We loved the fact that everyone's gonna get their own bathrooms. We loved the community. We loved the leasing agent, who was so nice and just amazing and answered all our questions. And so far the application stuff has been pretty easy to do. Yeah, it was fun. But now the crazy stuff starts happening probably towards like the end of this month. Today's the 11th, and so oh my god, I'm gonna have to like start packing and then calling U-Haul, and like, oh my god, it's gonna be stressful. Oh my god. Yeah. I guess I'll be sure to update everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.